Hey cooks, today on the show we're going to use the Proscenic Air Fryer to make a classic grilled cheese sandwich with a twist. And my twist is I add tomato. An air fryer is a great thing to make a grilled cheese in because you just make the sandwich, throw it in, and the air fryer does all the work. This one is no exception, and it is Wi-Fi ready. So join me as we make a classic grilled cheese sandwich with tomato. So this is a Proscenic Air Fryer, and this thing is pretty cool. It's 5.8 quarts, so it's a big one, and it's 1700 watts. And what's kind of neat about this one is it has Wi-Fi, so you can scan this little code that's in the manual, and it goes to the app store. You download the app. It has tons of recipes you can use this, and you can even use this with Alexa. So it comes with a few manuals. It has a quick start guide. It has your user manual. And it also has a cookbook, which is pretty cool. This air fryer, I'm going to tell you, I've used it once and it's actually becoming one of my favorite ones. We have it plugged in and you have a lot of your classic cycles. You have fish, French fries, meat, bacon, all kinds of fun stuff. One thing I find that's interesting about this air fryer is it will go up in 5-degree increments, and a lot of the ones I've seen go up in 10-degree. So I think that is pretty cool. Has a really big basket. Look at this thing. So let me get the ingredients out so we can assemble our sandwich. So we are going to assemble our sandwich. I have just some basic bread here, a little country bread. We're going to use mayonnaise. You can use butter or mayonnaise as your fat on the outside. Butter will give it that buttery flavor, but mayonnaise will give it a good flavor as well. If you wanted to lighten this up, you could just use some light mayonnaise. So we're going to put our sandwiches down, our bread down. We might have to flip these. So I'm going to go ahead and put a nice slice of cheddar cheese. This is what Eric likes. If you want a different kind of cheese, go for it, right? This is what Eric likes. I'm going to put a piece and a half down at the bottom.
No, time out. Oh. We got a toll right here. There's a toll crossing here saying illegal. She paid the fine. We're good.
Okay, so we have our cheese down here, and this is what makes it Amy style, right? Some sliced tomato, some maters up in here. These are kind of small tomatoes, so I'm just gonna go, and they're kind of soft, so we're gonna put these like this. This adds a whole nother dimension to your grilled cheese sandwich, let me tell you. Eric, he was skeptical, but he's gonna see the true magic that's going to happen here. More cheese. More cheese.
No complaints for me.
And a little bit more cheese. If you want this to be classic, use American cheese. But this is what Eric likes, so this is what he's getting. And we're going to mayonnaise the top bread. And mayonnaise the other top bread. And then we get the air fryer over here. Okay, so let's put it in the air fryer. Okay, so we are going to fire this baby up. We are going to do it for about 5 minutes. And I'm going to do it at 360. We're going to go about that 5 minutes to cook it. And then as soon as the cheese is melted, we're going to crank the temperature up to about 390, cook it for 3 or 4 minutes, and flip it if we need it to brown the bread. So when it's done, we'll be back. Okay, we got some sizzling going on here. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Okay, we got some serious stuff going on here. Look at that. Aha! We got melty, melty goodness here. Let's see about getting one of these out of here. Wow, look at that. That's amazing.
Looks melty to me.
We got sandwich number 2 coming down. Woo! Ooh, look at that. Think you can taste one of these babies, Boo?
If you cut it for me, maybe.
You want it cut on an angle?
Hey, look pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Sounds toasted.
I can't even eat cheese, and I'm looking at that like, that looks pretty amazing. And it is hot. How's that look, Boo?
I don't know. Bring it closer to me.
I would say the Proscenic Air Fryer, did an amazing job. Look at that. You want to come take a taste?
Maybe.
Okay, come take a taste.
Maybe I want more in a taste. Maybe I just want to run off with it. I can confirm that the bread is quite warm.
And toasty.
Ooh.
Ah!
Oh! There is gravity. Crunchy. Hot. It's crunchy, tasty, hot.
How's the tomato?
I have to take another bite. The mayonnaise gives it kind of a buttery taste, if that's possible.
Yeah. How's the tomato in there?
I don't know. I got one right there.
Should add that extra dimension to it?
Yeah, it's a tomato. I have no idea how it does it, but it magically makes it taste like a
Tomato.
grilled cheese sandwich supremo. Oh, I do my problem.
So, cooks, we made a classic American cheese sandwich with a twist with the tomato in the Proscenic Air Fryer, and it did a fantastic job. I'll leave a link down to this air fryer. I just want to thank Proscenic for sending this. It is a great air fryer. It's huge. It's 1700 watts, 5.8 quarts, nice and big. You can cook all kinds of fun stuff in there, including grilled cheese sandwiches. Again, thanks Proscenic for sending this. Links will be down in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. Eric's back there enjoying that sandwich. You can also catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at amylearnstocook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. So check this out. Air fryer. Grilled cheese sandwiches, right? Awesome. And so is the air fryer.